Today we are going to do grade 9 science, nature and properties of matter, part 3. Under part 3 we are going to discuss about mixtures. I think you can remember in part 1 we discussed about elements, in part 2 we discussed about compounds. Now in part 3 we are going to discuss about mixtures. Under mixtures, we are going to discuss about homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Let us study about the non-pure substances, mixtures. Pay your attention to seawater. Various salts and various gases are dissolved in it. That means it contains several constituencies. Therefore, seawater is a mixture. In natural environment, mostly we come across mixtures and not pure substances. Air, soil, river water, and rocks around us are all mixtures. Yogurt, ice cream, and fruit salad we eat are also mixtures. The drinks such as tea, coffee, and soft drinks too are mixtures. So you can see mostly we came across mixtures and not pure substances. Mixtures are formed when two or more substances get mixed. The pure substances in a mixture called as constituents. You can see in a fruit salad, apple, pineapple, strawberry. Those are mixed. So it's a mixture. In a coffee, hot water, when you get a milk, coffee, milk, those are mixed together. So it's a mixture. So let's see some constituencies in some mixtures. Air, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. In seawater, water, salt, dissolved oxygen, dissolved carbon dioxide. In a cake mixture, sugar, flour, water, coloring, butter, eggs. In crude oil, diesel, petrol, kerosene, and tar. So these all are mixtures. When we mix these constituencies, we can get a mixture. The specific feature of a mixture is that its constituents can be separated by physical methods. When rice is mixed with sand, they can be separated by sifting using a sifting bowl. So, sifting is a physical method of separating constituencies in a mixture. Given below are some physical methods of separating constituencies in a mixture and some instances in which they are used. Honey, separating sand from rice, separating gems from ore. Winnowing, separating chaff from rice. Floating on water, separating clearly seed from seed paddy. Sifting, separating gravel from sand. Evaporation, obtaining salt from seawater. Fractional distillation, separating various fuels from crude oil. Steam distillation, separating cinnamon oil from cinnamon leaves. Crystallization, separating sugar from cane sugar syrup. Use of magnets, separating some minerals from mineral sands. You can see gem mining and winnowing paddy. Mixtures can be described as follows. A matter which consists of two or more constituents which can be separated by physical methods are called mixtures. According to the nature, mixtures can be divided into two categories. As I told you earlier, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. So what is this homogeneous mixtures? The mixtures with a uniform composition right throughout the mixture are called homogeneous mixtures. Example, salt solution, sugar solution, and seawater. Heterogeneous mixtures. The mixtures in which the composition is not uniform throughout the mixture are known as heterogeneous mixtures. Example, muddy water, water mixture, ice cream, fruit salad. So we finished our third lesson. There are three parts mainly in our third lesson: elements, compounds, and mixtures. We finish all these three. So I am telling whole lesson as a summary now. Matter can be classified as pure substances and non-pure substances. Pure substances can be further classified as elements and compounds. The pure substances which their specific properties cannot be further divided into substances with different properties by physical or chemical methods are called elements. The pure substances which have specific properties and are formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements in a definite ratio are termed as compounds. Atoms and molecules are the building units of elements. Homoatomic molecules are formed by the combination of two or more atoms of the same kind, whereas heteroatomic molecules are formed by the combination of two or more atoms of different kinds. The atom consists of subatomic particles. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are the subatomic particles in an atom. An atom comprises a large empty space and a positively charged nucleus at the center of it. Protons and neutrons are contained in the nucleus. Electrons move around the nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number of that element. It is a unique property for that element. The sum of the protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is called the mass number. Mixtures are matter consisting of two or more pure constituents that can be separated by physical methods. Mixtures can be classified as homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. So, if you like my videos, click subscribe button and the bell button, and don't forget to watch grade 9 science 4th lesson also, basic concepts associated with force, and thank you for watching.